Okay, today's prompt says to go to a museum, choose 3 display pieces, use one piece as the title for your flash fiction, and use the other 2 pieces within your story. Use the museum for additional inspiration and try to write your story before leaving. 400-word count. So there is a local museum. I see if it's open. And I've got my middle son hanging out with me this afternoon. So let's go head on. Okay, so couldn't sit around to write while we're in there because they closed 30 minutes after we got there. They've just closed right after we left because it's closing time for them. How many times are you gonna say close? Anyways, so got the video, got the Mr. Man and I figured out what to write about, and now we're going to, I guess, go home and I'll write in my studio. We're back home. Got my, I'm ready to do this today. My son said that I should use this old mechanical horse, a steel train wheel, and portable suitcase organ in the story. So I need to figure out how to use a mechanical horse, a wheel, an old steel wheel from a train, and a portable suitcase organ in a story. It is 3:30. I have to be again back at rehearsal about 3:20. Not 3. Oh my goodness, I'd be late. 5:20 today. So I'm gonna figure this out. gotten that written. I don't, by the grace of God, that was written. I didn't know how I was going to put together a mechanical horse, a portable suitcase, organ, and a steel wheel, train wheel. But I think I did. So now we can cross that off the list. And goodness, I am finding, so usually I write in the mornings. It's just part of my morning thing. I read my Bible, I pray, and then I write. Usually I might go for a walk, depending on the time of year and what the day looks like, if it's light outside, blah, 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 all the things, right? But because I just simply cannot get everything done in the morning that I need to get done in the morning, I'm having to write in the afternoon after school. And I'm finding that it might be better for me to start writing my creative work about 3 o'clock. So I do school, and then we're done around 1:30, 2 o'clock, 2:30 sometimes. And then I need a little bit of like buffer. So maybe I'll watch a YouTube video. I scroll for a little bit, read, or just kind of like sit there. You know, I need a little buffer. And then about 3 o'clock, I can get into whatever writing I need to do. And of course, it would be so much easier, this whole project, if I didn't, if I wasn't having to leave to do the play. Because that does eat into my time and put a time constraint. So I try, before I go to rehearsal, I try to have my story written and typed up, ready to go, and then have at least the rough cut of the video. So when I come back home after rehearsal, I can do that fine-tuning cutting and check it in the morning, then export and upload it. So then it's tied to the Substack post with story. Yeah. And that seems to be working out. It's just late nights having to do it that way. You know, so now we need to go to Substack and we need to type this baby up, create a new text post.